Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this muscular orange brain rot animal. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the shape of the body with a large circle. Now top in, and let's draw a small curve at the top. And then a curve up for the stem of the leaf. Now to draw the leaf, let's draw a wavy line out to the right, dipping it down and out. And let's do another wavy line on top and down. Now on the inside, let's draw a curve down and some curved lines coming out next to it. And that's it for the leaf. Now let's move back inside and draw the face. For the eyes, let's draw two angled lines up and then curve it out on top. And then let's close it off at the bottom with a curve across. Now inside, let's add a curve down from the top and back up. And then add a circle inside. And color these both in black. Now top on top, and let's draw two angled curves in the center here. And then from the bottom, let's curve it out and up. And that's it for the eyes. Now top underneath and draw the nose. We'll start with a bump down in the center. And then on both sides, let's curve it out and up. Now top underneath and draw the mouth. We'll start with a V-shaped point in the center. And then let's angle it down on both ends. Now underneath, let's add another V-shaped point and angle it down to the sides. And then let's add a curve underneath for the bottom lip. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop out and let's draw the arms. Let's start on both sides and let's draw a curve out and bring it down. And then curve it in and up at the bottom. Now let's add another bump going down and out on both sides. Then let's hop in and let's draw a curve out from underneath here. Now from the outside, let's draw a larger curve going down. Now top back up and let's draw a curve out and wave it down underneath. And then inside this middle section, let's add another bump here. And then two curves in the bottom section. Now underneath, let's add the hands. Let's start with a line down from the outside. And let's angle it back in and up. Now let's bring it up, in, and back down. Now to finish off the hands, let's hop back up and let's angle it out and curve it in. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move back down underneath and let's draw 2 small curves down. Then let's curve it down and in, leaving a gap in the center. And then a curve across at the bottom. Now for the legs, let's draw 2 curves down and out underneath both sides. And then underneath each of the lines, let's angle it out and back in like this. Now we're going to hop inside and let's draw 2 curves inside the top section of each leg and 1 in the bottom here. Now underneath, let's add the shoes. Let's start underneath and let's draw a curve up, out, and down for the tongues of the shoes. Now on the inside, let's bring it over and then curve it down. Now let's hop back out and let's draw a curve across underneath the tongues. And then let's angle it out and curve it down. And then close off the bottom of each shoe with a curve across. Now let's hop inside and let's add another curve across the bottom. And then inside, let's draw a curve down. And then an angle near the top. And let's add 2 lines inside for the laces. Now in this back section, let's draw a curve across at the top here. And then a curve down at the back of the shoe. And lastly, we're going to draw a Nike swoosh inside the middle section here. And color them both in black. And that's it for this orange brain rot. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!